guys, it's Jay Green, Cocktails by Jay. I'm going to show you how to make a classic cocktail called the Dark N Stormy. The Dark N Stormy was created in World War I at the Royal Naval Officers Club. As sailors or officers would take a dark rum, which was this Goslings Black Seal Rum, and they paired it with ginger beer. So one of the sailors saw this drink and said it looked like the Dark N Stormy. The Goslings Spirit Company actually have a trademark on the name Dark N Stormy in the United States. This was created in 1860. The son of the family, Goslings Spirit Company, set sail from England to America in 1806. His charter ran out after 91 days. He his ship to the closest shores. He ended up in St. George's, Bermudas, and then that's where the Gosling Spirit family decided to start making rum. So in 1860, the Gosling Spirit Company started making Goslings Black Seal Rum, a great refreshing cocktail. Let me show you how to make it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make the classic Dark N Stormy with Goslings 80 proof Bermuda Black Seal Rum, so 2 ounces. And then you can use just a good quality ginger beer. I like this Fever Tree, it's just one of my go-tos. I just think it's not a lot of additives and preservatives. It's just a nice, good, clean, quality ginger beer. You're gonna use a highball or a Collins glass like this, and you're just gonna start by filling this up with ice. A sailor had tasted the drink and said it reminded him of like a dark cloud, and actually coined the name Dark N Stormy. The Gosling Spirit Company actually trademarked the name Dark N Stormy, so they claim to have the legal rights to the making the Dark N Stormy with only Gosling's Dark Seal Rum. But you can use other rums, you don't have to use this one. Actually, it's pretty good. But if you like using another type of dark rum, you feel free to do so. But technically, it's not an official Dark N Stormy if you're not using this. But let the alcohol cocktail police come and arrest you if you break the rules. Anyway, let me show you. Super easy. Put some ice in our Collins glass. We're gonna do 2 ounces of the Goslings Dark Seal Rum, Black Seal Rum, so 2 ounces. 1, 2. I'm gonna put down here about 3 ounces of a quality ginger beer, which if you just kind of top it off, that's gonna be about 3 ounces. And then we'll put in a ½ ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. And then now we're just gonna put in a ½ ounce, which is about a half of a medium size lime, and we'll just squeeze the fresh squeezed lime juice down in there. I love lime juice. This Black N Stormy is kind of similar to some of the mules, the Moscow mules, Kentucky mules. We're using like a ginger beer, but instead of vodka or bourbon, you're using this dark rum. So really nice cocktail. That's all there is to it. And then we'll just put a straw, kind of give it a little like stir right here. And then we'll garnish with either a lime wheel or a lime wedge. Why don't we do a lime wheel? I think that will give it a little better presentation. So let's just cut up a and then we're just gonna garnish with the lime wheel. And there you go, that's it. The Dark and Stormy cocktail. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you want to make more of these wonderful, delicious cocktails.